abatura bo mugombora ya Kirembe hamwe na division ya Burembya mu district ya Kasese umukasheshekerizo babagwerwa kagwe bwa nyuma yo kushanga Omugyera gwa Nyamwamba gubogere gukacwekereza orutindo rwa Kyanjuki orubire no rukozesebwa rucwekere.
Now we actually lost some of the road network. Actually, the road that stretches from Katiri towards the Burembya offices, Burembya mines offices. There right now the water is there.
Umukasheshekerizo bo munyamakuru witaho yashikira harutindo rwa Kyanjuki orutwire no rwejo nsebwa abantu na munonga abana b'amashomero yashanga abantu bashobangirirwe.
The transport system now is also at standstill because no passing here, and farmers are now carrying their luggage or their produce on head at the back going to our market.
We can't manage to cross as per now. Children have been stuck. There is no means of transport. We can't even cross. Borders are stuck. People are at home. Children can't go to school.
Nobo birebire bityo nikigambwa ngo amaizi